So guys, basically in the video, I don't get murder or sheriff, sadly. But when I funny story. When I stopped recording, I got murderer, then sheriff, then a murderer again. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I die a couple times, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Alright, so I am gonna vote a map. I vote hotel. No, I don't vote bank. Hotel. No, workplace. I want to vote work. Even though it's not going to be a workplace. What does this guy want? Ooh. Overseer for a... No, I'm not doing that trade. I'm not trading the switch. Alright, now some of you know this hiding spot, most of you probably don't. So what it is since the JD video has been out, released already, /esit, and what you want to do is copy it, and then paste it, basically. So /esit, and you gotta get angled up like right here. Sometimes you can do it on the side, like right one of those sides, left or right. /esit, yeah, like that. So yeah, you can, dude, what the heck? This guy just made me, yeah. So oh, hurt stabbing. You know what, dude? Yeah, that's what you did to me. Get out of here. So yeah, it's like so funny just seeing us like bobbleheads. Alright, like right here, it's not gonna do. You wanna line up so you like, screw it. He's coming, move! Move, you stupid man! Dude! Just if he like, darn it. So yeah, this guy basically just, he has a huge head. What's wrong with your head? What's wrong with your head, dude? What's wrong with your head? It's a beanie. No, it's a round. No, it's a round head. So yeah, as he says his head's a beanie, I say, no, it's a round head. No, what does this guy possibly want? Hacker, black, and boon. What? A Choco? I'm gonna do this trade. So I'd have 5 blacks. Alright, I don't know it. Alright, yes, I'm doing a trade, alright? For 5 blacks. Because I know No, Choco. I decline that. Alright, if maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna just, do this, go on this, and, yeah, oh, you know, it's a bacon hair. It's a bacon hair. Yep. I'm gonna go try to trick him. Hey there. Hi there. Hey there, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Haven't seen you around. If I knew, I rarely use my gun. Bacon hairs as murderers are so dangerous, especially guests. So yeah. Alright, there we go. There we go. Shot him right in the chest. Got a bunch of XP of that. Alright, yeah, so let me just, go vote a map. Workplace, no, move, workplace. 3, no. Looks like it's hospital. More bodies everywhere. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Oh, that's Roundhead speaking, by the way. Alright, just an innocent. Thunder. No. Trading is coming back. Nope, we know it's Pink Knife. Alright, Pink Knife. It's Pink Knife, guessed. Yes, it's him! Shoot him! Ah! 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 Move! Ah! Whoa. Ah! Oh, no. Darn it. I'm just gonna, what does Yosh want? By the way, Yosh was my friend in the last video. Oh, a ghosty clown. By the way, you can give some, for 4 comments, you can give somebody 2 uncommons or 1 rare. Give them 2 of those. Blue commons. Alright, gonna make it a lucky. Alright. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna make that a common, a star, because I always get star guns, and I don't like star guns. Star guns are the worst guns. Oh, I have 14 Ps, I mean, 1 P might not be bad. You know, yo, you're just being an Indian giver. So yeah. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Hey, Junior, are you bored? 'Cause I am. Well, yeah, I'm bored. What, do you want to do? Well, there's Ned's head over there. Ew, Ned's head. Last time I was there, I found a brain in it. And, well, a pickle. Well, I don't know, why don't we just do, I wish there was a game where, like, there's a truth you can do. You can do truth, and there's a dare. Like, you say, hey, dog kid, truth or dare? I don't know. And, like, you say truth or dare, and, like, truth or dare? No. It goes like, it's like, what's wrong? It's, just, well, oh, I know, you mean. Like, if you say truth or dare, and I say, like, truth, I gotta tell a true thing about me or something? Yeah, you're getting it. Oh, okay. And if I say dare, you get to, tell me, like, something to do? Yeah. Alright, truth or dare? Dare. Alright, so, I dare you to do this Bean Boozle challenge. No. Alright, so, let me take this off. Oh, so I guess I'll start with black. Ooh, it's either, I don't know, skunk spray or pudding? Licorice? Yeah, I think it's licorice. So let me try it. Oh. Ah! 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 Wow. And that's the DMG short for today. Good boy. Alright, so my first godly ever, I'm like, oh my god, it's a thing. So yeah, then I unboxed Heat. Not too bad, but then I unboxed Saw. I forgot to take a screenshot, so I just looked at my inventory. Then today, today I got Heat. I unboxed Heat. Yeah.
Make the ground shake. Make the ground shake.
Hey guys, Dogman here, and today we are back with another video. So my channel has been out for a year now. I'm at so basically a year ago I released a video called Funny Fish, my first ever video. So you guys should go check it out. It's not that it's kind of boring, but anyways, my channel has been out for a year now. So I'm at the anniversary right now. So yeah, she just said she'd give me Bloxy Cola and she didn't. Can I get Bloxy Cola please for the sec? Rude. Alright, anyways, so we're gonna go down the water side. Maybe 2 or 7 or 17 or 19 or 18. We're gonna go down the water side, okay? Now, let's start off one big. VIP teleport. Let's Should I do it? I mean, whoa. Almost. Whoa! Ow! No, 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 no! Ah! Ow! Whoa! No, no, no! Oh! Ah! That was very, scary. Yeah, that was scary. So I'll be right back when we go to another slide. I kind of want to go on this slide. So we're back at the water park. So yeah, I'm gonna be going on this slide. The slide that guy just went down. It looks pretty scary. I'm gonna show you guys. It goes in there. It's a big drop. If I fall, I'll be ending up down there, like how I broke my face last time. Like on the island up there, I fell, broke my face down there. So yeah, let's go. Whoa! 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 Oh. Let me just go down here. Wow! Oh, well, this is more painful. That's scary. Ow! Whoa! Whoa! Ow! Oh my God, that is more painful than scary. Wow. So guys, I'll be back when there's another water slide. What's that guy doing? After a super long hike, I am back here. All right, let's go on this one. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Oh! 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 No! 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 Oh! Wait, what? Huh? Hospital it is. What? Doctor? Why am I bald? Yeah, why am I bald and, huh? Doctor? Doctor! Doctor! Where are you? Am I here all alone? Oh, doctor, come on. Ugh. Maybe if I wait a little while. Anyways, room is pretty nice. But, I don't know. Wait, what? I guess. Whoa, Oh, oh God. I can't get up. I can't get up at all. Oh God. Ugh. Ah. Alright, so a seer is like worth 5 legendaries. Not that much, it's just a seer. Napeblade is worth the seer. Looks pretty cool. Not cool as Batwing, and yeah, I'm at the value list by the way. Ice Dragon, 2 seers, I like it a lot. It looks pretty cool. Death Shard, I actually unboxed my own before. It's pretty cool. Now, Xmas is just, 4 seers. It's really cool. My first ever godly unbox was Fang, and then the third godly was Saw, and virtual. By the way, I had 2 virtuals, but they both got scammed sadly. I had a blaster, but I traded it, and next up is the shark, and shark I wanted to get Can a fan please give me a Luger or Shark? Or Laser. I was so close to getting one of them. Mirror Laser. I don't really know anymore. It looks pretty cool. A Laser. I actually have one in my inventory. It's like not Murder Mystery 2 inventory. My profile. Old Glory looks pretty cool. And Slasher. For some reason a glitch happened and I should have unboxed it, but I didn't. Luger, I missed like 7 times before. I got so mad. And yeah, I haven't unboxed my Hell's Edge now Tides. Haven't unboxed it. I wish I did. But my Heats, I unboxed 2 Heats before. Unboxing Heats were pretty cool. They're both 62 sears. Spider is 70 sears. I really would love to get my hands on that. Pixel, that looks so cool. I wish I had a Murder Mystery 2 at the time. Now Eternal, I had Eternal. I got scammed off of it, sadly. Clockwork, I never had a Clockwork. It just looks so cool. Green Luger, I would love to get my hands on that one again. I'm betting, I guess you would too. Red Luger, same. I'd love to get my hands on it. Candy looks so cool. I want to get my hands on it so bad. Sugar, looks pretty cool. It's like you're shooting out candy, bang bang. Handsaw and Chill are one of my 2 favorite godlies. Look at that graphics though. And Chill, that looks so cool. Now Batwing's the rarest knife in the game. Batwing, it's rarer than Corrupt. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.